You tell Mum, what did the fireworks do tonight?
Like that.
What'd they do?
I say Skye.
Oh, Skye's... You have to do it first and then you can get to see Skye. What? You tell Mum, what did the fireworks do?
No. One bus. Like that.
It did do it like that, didn't it? And what did we see?
No. They pick colors.
We did see the pretty colours. What else did we see?
No. Say my color.
We saw Skye's colour, didn't we? What colour's Skye's colour?
No. My color.
Oh, your colour. And what did the fireworks do?
No.
What did it do on the ground?
In a fire in a gun.
Yeah, and what did it do?
No. In a gun.
It was on the ground. Did it make lots of noise?
One bus.
Did it buzz, did it?
Here, you show me what it did.
Like that.
You show Mum.
Show Mum what the fireworks did, sweetie.
You show Mum, what did the fireworks do?
No. Like that.
On the ground. Did it go
gun.
really fast?
Yeah.
And did it spin round?
Spin around.
And what happened to one of them?
No. Pink wings. Like dun dun.
Oh, like that.
Like that. Oh,
And it did it. Went up in the air.
up in here.
And it went bang, bang.
Bam, bam.
It did.
Daddy, went bam, bam.
Oh, did it really?
Daddy, went bam, bam.
Oh, really? That's cool.